Hey, what's up? Everybody always asks us what we do on a rainy day. We got a beautiful cloudy day here, but I figured I'd give you a shop tour, show you that we're always busy on a rainy day. Right here we got a 32 Ford big block car. This one is one we're getting ready to sell for somebody, so if you know anybody that would like to play toy, have one for sale. We got a 56 Chevrolet with a LS3 in it. The iconic Camaro big block car, SS. We're doing a full paint correction, ceramic coating, kamikaze ceramic coating on this. This is a 60 Starliner with a 4.6 liter. We got the 65 Cobra that is owned by Tom Cotter, well-known book author, and we're doing a full detail on it. He took this thing on a ride up through the north last year, and that's where all the salt and the snow and everything's been on it. And while he was up there, it got, while I had the top up at the lodge one night, a bear crawled up on it and smelt a 2-pack of Fig Newtons. You can see this story online where the bear attacked the car and ate the Fig Newtons out. So we're doing a full detail on this inside out, all underneath it. Working on that for Tom Cotter. Most of you know him from Barn Hunter on Haggerty's Barn Find Hunter. This is a Renault 5 that we're doing full detail. We're doing paint protection film, put a new headliner in it, full steam on the inside, get it all brought back to life. It's just imported. It's a very rare car. There's only a handful in the States, and that's owned by a race car driver here in town. We got the 63 Cadillac. That's my personal play toy, and that's our loaner car. If you come and drop off a car, you can borrow that. We've also got our inspection machine over there in the corner. Anybody that's ever needs a OB2 inspection, safety inspection, we also do safety inspections. So this is your waiting room if you ever come to get an inspection or a detail. This is a Jag S-Type that we're getting ready to do a full detail on. We got to fix some scratches. We got our dent guy coming to pull some dents. We got wheel repair going to be done. But super nice little car. We're going to do some touch-up work and a full detail on with some kamikaze ceramic coating. And we got this little hot rod gym here that we're getting ready to sell. If you know anybody that wants a neat little golf cart, we got this for sale. Let's hop on it. We'll ride down here to the other building, Brad. Got the old dirty Ram. We got to get cleaned up. That's our shop truck. Nissan Titan. We do everything. We do daily drivers, pickup trucks. We did the whole inside of that car today. This Cadillac we just got done doing the inside on. Let's go see what the inside is. We steamed the whole inside, conditioned all the seats and the leather and everything in it, blew everything out. So good rainy day project. It's nice to have customers that give us stuff to work on a cold rainy day. Speaking of insides, check out this interior of this car. So the gentleman that owns this Boxster, he's got a big Porsche collection, and this car got pushed out to the back barn and no climate control. Got some moisture in it, some mold, so we'll steam the whole inside. Put a nose-on machine in it. In a few hours with a little bit of elbow grease, it'll be back to new again. We got a daily driver Jeep over here we're getting ready to detail. Everybody thinks all we do is exotic cars and classic cars. We even do fleets of trucks. We do about 40 of these every year for a company, Champion Tire, which handles all the movement of everything for NASCAR. And we've been working on all these. I think we got just a handful more to do, but full detail on the inside. We do the sleeper in the back. Just clean everything up and get it ready for the season. So truck number 35 is done, Champion. If you're ready to come swap out, we got Dead Man's truck. I guess it's the Dead Man. Tell Dead Man his truck's ready. This is another one of our buildings over here. This is where we do a lot of our dirty work. We got a Volkswagen here that we just got started on. I think y'all just vacuumed it. I'm glad I didn't have to vacuum that thing out. Look at that. Good gracious, what a mess. So, hey, we ain't scared. We'll work on anything. from a Jetta to a Ferrari. This is a full detail paint correction, ceramic coating. We're doing a base coat of the Miyabi and a top coat of ISM from Kamikaze and Esoteric Car Care. So it's just got taped up, got it ready to start on. Let's go show them some of our play toys down here at the building, Brad. I guess on a rainy day we walk around and do videos. Maybe I should add that in there too. We've got a few buildings here spread out a little bit, but in 2 months this place will be full of cars. This is where we do our monthly Hot Rods and Hops cruise in, and we line the cars all up around this whole building. Live music and beer drinking car show. It brings in about 3,500, 4,000 people every month, and 250 unique cars, classics, exotics, just one-off cars, motorcycles, anything that's a play toy. Speaking of Hot Rods and Hops, this is our 62 Nova wagon. We're doing a paint on the roof. It's going to be like a tan color, like the Hot Rods and Hops color on the roof, and a satin clear to just keep that patina looking good. It's going to have steely wheels on it that are turquoise green to match the interior, which we're just going to put a period correct interior in it to leave that green look. And we're going to raffle this car off during Hot Rods and Hops this year. Look at the tag, Hops Run. That's what we named this car. Every car we've got always has a name, and that just happens to be our Hops Run. Instead of a beer run, it's Hops Run. This is the International Scout. It's still for sale if anybody wants one. If not, we're going to keep driving around playing with it. But brand new build, fuel injected, new motor, all new suspension, new interior. I mean, it's a brand new build. I could put somebody in this thing for $20,000, $25,000 a day if they want a rainy day special. We even got a little drag car over here in the back. This is for sale. We ain't got time to go play anymore. Belongs to a good friend of ours, but just an old drag car. It's ready for the season. Let's go down here and look at some of our products. Even on a rainy day, we got plenty of work to do. Everybody always wants to know sort of what all we do. We do anything from a car wash, full details. We do all your ceramic coatings, window tint, paint protection film, wheel repair, dent repair, windshield repair, interior repair. If you got a cut, tear, burn hole in your interior, we can fix any of that kind of stuff. We don't just do paint. So this is getting ready to be our office, but it's going to look like an old miniature Texaco gas station. So it's kind of a little garage door and everything. So we're going to see some of our old signs on it. It's going to be something fun to do. And then this is our product, Innovative Speed Shop, the waterless car wash. This is our first product of many products we've got coming out. I've been working on this for over 5 years, 182 samples to get to this point. And we're happy to be selling the mess out of it to a lot of people. So we got this really cool display vehicle. It's a mess right now, but that's our next product is tire dressing, and we got glass cleaner coming out. We got a full line. There'll be about 25, 30 line items here before summertime. So check out Innovative Speed Shop's waterless car wash, and come out and come to our showroom and hang out and come see us. We've also got all this chemical guys. Everybody talks about chemical guys. We got all this product. If you come and you buy a bottle of Innovative Speed Shop's waterless car wash, I'll let you have your pick of this stuff because, well, we don't use it anymore. But there's a lot of people that are fans of it. So we're just trying to blow it out and get it out of here. So if you're a Chemical Guys fan, come get you some product. Come see us. Innovative Speed Shop, Hot Rods and Hops. See you soon.